Hi there, I hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your video. Whether you're a content creator or just love watching videos on YouTube, this feature can make your videos more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Step 1. Choose the video editor you want to use. I recommend using Adobe Premiere Pro or a similar video editing software. You will need to download and install the program first. Step 2. Open the video file in your chosen video editor. Select the menu item and remove subtitles. Step 3. Choose the subtitle style. There are several options to choose from, such as built-in automatic subtitles, YouTube-style subtitles, or custom text. Click on the style you want to use. Step 4. Adjust the subtitle position and size. Simply drag and drop the subtitle onto the screen where you want it to appear. Change its duration and size to match your video content. Step 5. Preview your video with the added subtitles to ensure they perfectly fit and align with the content. If everything looks good, save the project and export it as a high-quality video file. And that's it. Now you know how to add subtitles to a video. This simple process can make your videos more engaging and enjoyable for viewers all around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.